I got a package. I got a package. I got a package. I got a package. What is it? Let's see. I got something from my friend Q again, in which I'm going to give you guys her, she has a business, a t-shirt business, but she do more than t-shirts, what clothing, she has her line. Small business, let's get her to be a big business, okay? I love her so much. And she has said, hey, something. So I don't know what's all in here. I know I ordered me a hoodie, but she was acting like she got some other stuff in. Let's see what's up in here. Let's see. Well, it just popped up and let y'all see that. Woohoo! Whoa! Let's see what is in here. I don't want to cut myself. Yo! What the Sam heck? Wait. So I don't really edit my stuff. I literally opened this in front of you. Oh, look. Oh, cute. I was only getting one hoodie. Oh my gosh. Look at this hoodie, y'all. Oh, that's a big sign. So if y'all haven't seen my other video, right? She made me my, I got a coin show. She made me some other shirts, and then she made me two or three shirts. I did show y'all my coin show shirt that I wore to Vegas. And I asked her for this one. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. This is a big doggone sign. Do y'all see that? If you can't see it, you blind. I mean, sorry if you are blind. I don't mean to be rude if you are blind. Look at that. Bam. You see that? Do you see that? Oh, that is so pretty. Y'all can't see it. Y'all can't see it. Are you subscribed? Isla Cruiser Royal. Why not? And wait. You already know. Bam. You already know. You already know. And bam. I have right here. I got a phone.
Can you guess what I'm thinking right now?
I love my little girl.
Didn't mean to turn that on. All right. Boom. Let's try again. Boom. This is live. What is happening? What happened? There we go. Yeah. There we go, right there. There we go, right there. Oh yeah. This is so pretty. Yes, baby. And yes, I asked her for a big size because I'll be wearing, this is like my coat. Here up in Houston, yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these things on for you too. But yeah, well, no, we ain't gonna put it on yet. I'll put it on for you in 1 second, okay? 1 second. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, this is so pretty. Move that away. Let's see. Are you subscribed? Why not? Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Yes, the waves are a little greener, so it depends on where I'm at, right? I might be in the green water. Hey, I might be in the more blue water. Hey, it's beautiful water. Are you subscribed? Why not? Bam! You should know. You should know. You should know. Everything I have my QR code. Here we go. You ready? You finna do it together. You ready? Here we go. Boom! Right there. Tap. I tapped too slow. Boom! There we go. Ah! Dude, I got 2 hoodies. What the Sam heck? What? Cute. Yo. Dude, what? What? There's something else in here. I got one of her. Yo, I got one of Q's one of Q's sweaters. She got me authentic. Oh, this is our brand right here, y'all. You know what? Oh, yeah. So it's blue. Blue is my favorite color. Okay. This is authentic. Let me put it on. Why not? Y'all gonna see me put it on right here for you. Let's see. Yes. Look at that. Y'all gotta check it out. You gotta check it out, you know. Okay. Oh, don't mess up the K. Okay. I got the authentic. Yes, I did the authentic. Yeah. So when it's cold, like this Houston been cold, I'm finna go ahead and wear up my girl Q's authentic. I'm going to leave her. You know what, guys? I base my channel on being authentic. I didn't look it up before I left for her website. It's going to be in the description. Not only that, when I edit this, I'm gonna put it bing right there. That's gonna be her logo. You're gonna check her out. Check out her stuff. Look at her work. Look at her work. So now I'm gonna show you my hoodie. This is hers. Thank you, cute. Oh my gosh. I got it authentic. Oh, yes, honey. Yes. Authentic. Look at that orange on top of that blue. Look at that orange on top of the... And it's so... It's pretty, y'all. It's pretty. Here we go. I normally walk away and put some pictures on there. Why? Oh, it feels soft. Yes. Yes. Just saying. Are you subscribed? Why not? Bam. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Ah! That's number one. She got me 2 of these things. Why did she make me 2? Cute. Oh my gosh. I am going to call her and yell at her when I'm on here. Girl, you made me 2. I asked you for 1. Man, look, y'all, if you want, she said she'll go ahead and she'll do some other designs too. Let's grow my friend Q company. I'm put it in the description. Check her out. Her work is so good. She gets it to you when she says she gonna get it to you. Are you subscribed? Why not? Huh? You need some help? Scan the bar. Scan it. All right. I am so happy for my. Thank you so much, my friend. She's awesome. This is my unboxing. I got a package. Yay! Let me know if you want to send me a package. I'm excited about packages. I love gifts. That's so cool. So, again, thank you so much to Q. I appreciate it so much. Guys, when you check out this video, put thumbs up on give me a message in here saying yes, you love her design, you want to check her out. Please, let's help my friend out. She gonna be like, girl, I got so much. That's what I want. Let's go. I love you, Q. Thank you so much for my hoodies and my authentic, y'all. I got an original. I got an authentic. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoy Awareness Tomorrow. Please like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my Houston experiences.